Hey everyone, so this is an unboxing here of a Motorola Razr 2025 Razr. This is just the base version of the Razr. This one is an open box from Best Buy. I paid about $574 for it before taxes. After taxes, it was like $620 or so. So these are not the cheapest of phones, but not the most expensive either. So let's get into this. So also right now you can get yourself a 2023, which is a couple year old but brand new Razr Plus for only like $350 from Best Buy. That actually might be a better way to go, but we'll see how this phone is. That will have better specs on it. All right, well, there's gonna be your cord and stuff in there. As I can ask them to get this open. Yeah, there we go. There's your cord and your SIM card ejector tool, paperwork. So this is an open box, but I think it's actually brand new. That has not been undone. This is a brand new phone. I think this is the first time I've had that happen. Or somebody put this thing back on incredibly well, which is also a possibility, of course. So let's see what the phone itself looks like here. Okay, so maybe they just put that back on there very well, as you can see the fingerprints here. Like, they did that incredibly well. It fooled me. That is a really nice color. And it's a really cool texture to it. It's like grippy texture. So let's see. So we have mic, volume rocker, power button, speaker, USB-C. Looks like two more mics. Our SIM card slot goes right there, or is right there. You of course have a speaker up here, and then your camera. I said there's speakers down there, and then dual cameras, and I believe the outside display is 3.6. There we go. Inches. I want to say the inside's maybe 6.9 inches or so. So very similar to, again, like the Plus of 2023. But yeah, that's a really cool looking phone. Yeah, this is definitely not brand new. There's a bunch of stuff on it, but still very good shape. Alright guys, stay tuned. We'll be making a bunch of videos, especially comparison videos with this phone. It feels really good to close. Yeah, and let me know what you think of this color. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a good one. See you next time. Goodbye.